Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering on the Pixel and immediately inserting your SIM or enabling eSIM so cellular works. This avoids setup hiccups later. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and sign in with your Google account to restore settings and apps. Make sure to set a screen lock and enroll your fingerprint. This secures payments and passwords. As you progress, accept basic privacy choices deliberately so the phone can back up and keep your contacts and messages synced without extra steps. Once signed in and updated, check settings for system and Play Store updates. Keeping software current fixes bugs and improves battery life. Restore your apps from the backup and enable Android backup so future restores are seamless. While restoring, review and set app permissions, location, camera, and microphone so privacy matches your needs. Also, configure gesture navigation, display refresh rate, and sound profiles to match how you use the phone. These choices shape daily responsiveness and power consumption. Finish by enabling Find My Device and setting up Google Wallet or contactless payments if you use them. This saves time and secures transactions. Optimize battery performance through adaptive battery and background app restrictions, and confirm photos and drive backups are active to avoid data loss. Make sure encryption and automatic updates are enabled so the device stays secure. If something goes wrong, restart the phone first. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to isolate problematic apps, and then update or uninstall the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.